OVK, we got the vault to the left and the server room upstairs to the right.
You gotta find the bank manager.
Where's the bank manager?
So Roger,
Keep in mind, security cameras gotta go.
start off or just on a smile.
Let's roll.
A minute.
Okay, we got the key card.
We
Let's
don't
get
want
the
civilian
drill and the
blood on our
thermite.
hands.
On them all.
Now, pick up the drill on the thermite. It's hidden inside the copy machine. There's the silent alarm, gentlemen. Start the countdown.
Stay together, guys.
There's one more can of thermite
We're
in
on the
copy
clock.
machine.
1 minute.
Someone else needs to carry that one.
30 seconds.
Get up and running.
The insider sure delivered. Now keep an eye on the drill. It'll surely jam every once in a while.
Stay the fuck down.
Okay, guys, let's get rid of the security footage. I'm activating the network backdoor. Hold on.
I've got an ammo bag over here.
All right, you know the plan. Get the guards, get the cameras, cut off the exits, get to the bank manager. Let's do it. All right, it's heating. Get out of this room fast. I got the catch. Let's get out of here.
I've marked on the
Oh,
computer
yours
for
is really
you.
mean.
Access
I'm
it to
glad
erase
we're
the
taking the
security
kitchen
footage.
Holy
Get down
shit.
on the
There's
ground.
lots of it.
Everybody,
Grab it,
get
boy.
down.
Money.
Everybody,
Drugs.
stay down.
Clean house, guys. Take it all.
The police have arrived.
I'm listening to the police scanner. They're mobilizing an assault. Good. The evidence is history. Now keep
Hoorah!
watching that drill.
This is what
If
we
it
came
jams,
for.
you need to restart it. A civilian was just set free. Rescue units are in operation.
I've spotted a bulldozer.
Bulldozer taken care of.
10. Give him hell.
Check the window.
Snipers, away from the windows.
Oh, I'm dying.
Cloaker, son of a bitch. Cloaker, down. Fucking Cloaker. Cloaker, eliminate. It's a fucking shield. Got a shield. Shield eliminated. Oh shit! Taser! Cloaker taken care of. Oh shit! Taser!
Taser eliminated. Somebody drop a medic bag. Hands up, motherfucker.
Hey James! Follow me! Move, move, move! Drop it!
It's a fucking bulldozer.
Bulldozer down! Cloaker, son of a bitch! Smoke bomb! Drop the gun! Drop your weapon! Hands in the air! Down!
Oh, shit. Shield.
Shield down!
Together. I've told you before, don't kill civilians.
back!
Move! Take cover. I'm waiting him out.
Drop it! Keep it up! Keep it together, guys! Oh, shit! Bulldozer! Don't let him run us over!
Alright! Fuck you, closer! Bulldozer, eliminate! Damn bank guards! Aren't we done with them yet?
Find a county room right above the vault and pull out the thermite.
Taser down! Eyes on the prize, people! I bet they got fucking thermal vision! They can see right through the smoke!
Move it! You got a death wish?
Great.
Hey, I'm
Now
fucking
just hold the fort until the thermite is done. If none of you have picked up the extra can of thermite hidden inside the copy
Thermite is
machine,
great.
you should go and get it and pour it out. More thermite means faster melting process. That was all the security cameras in the area. Really nice work.
I need a medic bag!
Taser! Taser! Whoa! Help me out! Hey, whoa!
Medic bag! Anyone!
Breach. Stack up. Took one of the chicken plates. Double tap, triple tap. Just keep tapping.
Taser! Oh, I'm dead!
Whoa! Help me out!
Taser eliminated!
Horse and a chicken to
You're in a bad shape.
Let's move on. This one's clear.
Thanks, pal. We're about halfway through now!
Medic bag, anyone?
Stay down, people! Look it out! Taser, eliminated!
You're barely in one piece, homie. Medic bag, anyone?
Thanks, buddy.
Jesus in a pickle.
Come patch yourselves up.
The police are in search of one or more special units.
Torn to pieces, man. Everybody, stay down. Hey, Wolf, follow me. Stay down.
Thanks, mate.
Nobody move.
Move out. Try to get around them. Just
Stay down.
Taser down! I'm medic bag! Oh, shit! Taser!
Taser down. Cloaker, son of a bitch. Cloaker's history. James, follow my lead.
Melted a hole straight into the vault, just as planned.
Smoke.
Jump down and grab the cash.
Oh, I'm dying! Somebody drop a medic bag!
Fuck! Oh, fuck! Shit! Out of the fucking way! Out of the fucking line of fire! Stand right down!
Put a money bag on the floor and grab some cash.
Bulldozer! Bulldozer! Bulldozer down! The fucking bulldozer! Bulldozer!
Taken care of!
The fucking bulldozer! Bulldozer down! Fuck! Bulldozer! Bulldozer's history. You look absolutely horrible. Thanks, pal.
Get the bags out. Get the money.
The cops are in control of the vault doors. They will open any second. Be ready.
That sure is a shitload of money. Grab it all.
Money. Get all of it. Clean house, guys. Take it all. Holy shit. Stay down. There's lots of it. Grab it, boy. Get all of it.
Shit, down.
All right, I'll refine you.
Let's shoot our way out of here.
Hey, you look stay out of the way. Out of the fucking line of fire. I'm on it.
That was a tough one, huh?
I got it.
Through. Now, get back up on your feet and get cracking on the task at hand. Okay, escape plan. Go up to the server, through the wall, and escape through the basement of the neighboring building.
Bulldozer!
Hostage somewhere who is marked out. Free that hostage. Then, the police will release Officer from custody.
Let's blow a hole in this wall. Get ready to run.
We're reading signs of another assault wave coming your way. ETA, 30 seconds. Nice work. Hodgson is out of custody. 20 seconds left, fellas. Okay, point of no return, guys. This is one of the waves that'll go on forever.
Got a mold of them in as well.
Oh shit! Bulldozer!
Don't say.
I got me a taser! Almost there! Almost there!
Bag, anyone?
You look like they queued you up and spit you out.
These are taken care of.
Straight on.
To the left. There's our ride. Hoorah! We're invincible, guys. This is epic.